Say this mantra every day, and you'll attract everything you want into your life. Sounds too good to be true? Well, listen up, because what I'm about to share isn't just talk. This mantra has the power to shift your energy, alter your thoughts, and open the door to completely new experiences. You might think, can it really be that simple? Yes, it can, and even spiritual leaders like Jesus of Nazareth hinted at this in ancient teachings. The secret is so profound, yet hidden in plain sight, right in front of us. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because this could be the moment that transforms your life. Welcome back to Power of Thought, where we dive deep into the hidden powers of manifestation, spirituality, and the mind. Today, we're talking about something truly transformative, a mantra that can literally change your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really that powerful? The answer is yes. This mantra has roots that stretch back thousands of years, from ancient spiritual texts to modern scientific discoveries. It's a tool that can help you change your energy, which means changing what you attract into your life. But here's the secret. It's so simple that most people overlook it. Think about it. When The Secret came out, the world was buzzing with the law of attraction and the principle of mentalism. But here's the thing. Just because people know about something doesn't mean they understand how to use it. It's one thing to hear about the law of attraction, but it's another thing entirely to apply it and witness the results. That's where this mantra comes in. Before we dive into the mantra itself, I need to explain why it works, because once you understand the mechanics behind it, you'll see just how powerful this practice can be. Everything in the universe, including you and me, is made up of energy. We're constantly vibrating, and the vibrations we emit influence what we attract into our lives. Like attracts like, as they say. When you change your vibration or energy, you change what you attract. This isn't just spiritual talk. It's backed by science. Studies have shown that everything from the cells in our bodies to the stars in the sky vibrates at a frequency. Scientists even studied salamander eggs and found that the part of the egg where the head was developing had a higher frequency than where the tail was forming. The energy in the egg was literally directing how the salamander grew. This teaches us something fundamental. Energy is the blueprint for matter. It's the code that tells the physical world how to form. If you can change your energy, you can change your reality. This is the foundation for the mantra I'm about to share with you. Now, let's bring this back to the Bible for a moment. In the book of Genesis, it says, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word became flesh." What does this mean? It means that words, whether spoken aloud or thought, create energy, and that energy forms matter. Think about how God created the universe. He spoke and then things came into being. Let there be light, and there was light. That's how powerful words are. Now, let's talk about the specific role mantras play in this. A mantra is essentially a phrase or set of words that you repeat over and over. When you repeat these words, you're not just speaking them. You're directing your energy in a specific way. Buddhist monks, yogis, and spiritual practitioners have been using mantras for centuries to tap into higher states of consciousness and connect with the energy of the universe. But here's the key. You don't even need to fully understand the mantra for it to work. Just like when you read from the book of Psalms in the Bible, even if you don't understand every word, the energy behind those words can still bring blessings and change into your life. This is why mantras are so powerful. They are tools for transforming your energy, even at a subconscious level. And this is exactly what we're going to do today. By repeating the mantra I'm about to share, you will start to align your energy with the things you desire. Whether it's love, success, health, or abundance. It's not magic, it's science and spirituality working together. Before I reveal the mantra, there's something we need to address: negativity. You've probably noticed that negativity is everywhere, from the news to social media to conversations with friends. And every time you take in that negativity, whether through what you watch, read, or hear, it influences your energy. This concept goes all the way back to the story of Adam and Eve. In the Bible, when they ate from the tree of knowledge of good and evil, life became hard. But eating in the Bible is symbolic for thinking. Once they started thinking about both good and evil, their problems began. This same principle applies to us today. When you let negativity into your mind, it starts to manifest in your life. Have you ever noticed how friends who constantly complain about their problems seem to get stuck in a loop? It's because they're focusing on the negative, and that focus creates more negativity in their lives. It's just like how the media bombards us with bad news, conditioning us to expect the worst. But here's the good news: just as easily as you can take in negativity, you can replace it with positive energy. And that's exactly what we're going to do with this mantra. Okay, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The mantra that will change your life. The power inside me, the one that breathes through my body, is the same energy that gives me everything I need with ease and joy. Now repeat it after me. The power inside me, the one that breathes through my body, is the same energy that gives me everything I need with ease and joy. Let's break this down. The power inside you is the same force that created the universe. It's the same energy that keeps your heart beating and your lungs breathing without you even thinking about it. This energy doesn't just sustain your life, it also has the power to bring you everything you need. And here's the key part: it brings it to you with ease and joy. When you repeat this mantra, you are shifting your energy to align with abundance, health, love, and success. You are reminding yourself that you don't need to struggle to get what you want. The universe is already programmed to give it to you, but you have to be in the right energetic state to receive it. Now that you have the mantra, I challenge you to use it. Don't just listen to this video and move on, put it into practice. Write it down. Say it daily. Feel the energy of the words as you speak them. Comment below with the mantra to solidify your intention. The power inside me, the one that breathes through my body, is the same energy that gives me everything I need with ease and joy. When you start using this mantra, you'll notice subtle changes in your life. Little synchronicities, opportunities that weren't there before, people reaching out to help you. This is your energy shifting. This is you aligning with what you truly desire. And if you feel this message resonating with you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Power of Thought for more powerful insights on manifesting the life you deserve. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's spread positive energy together. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your thoughts and words hold incredible power. Use this mantra to direct that power toward what you want in life, and watch how your reality transforms. Keep using it, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to hear how this mantra works for you. Until next time, stay blessed, stay positive, and keep manifesting your dreams. I'll see you in the next video.